Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live forever, untouched by the hands of time? The idea of immortality has sparked curiosity throughout human history, sparking countless stories, myths, and legends. Yet the notion of living indefinitely, unscathed by the relentless march of time, seems far-fetched and fantastical, doesn't it? Now imagine a world where this is not just the stuff of fiction. What if I told you that immortality is not just a fantasy, but a reality for one marvel of nature? Enter Turritopsis dohrnii, a creature small in size but monumental in its implications. This fascinating being, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish, is no bigger than a fingernail, yet it holds secrets that have left scientists in awe. It has a translucent body, tinged with a delicate pink hue, and lives predominantly in the temperate and tropical waters of the world. But what truly sets this jellyfish apart is not its appearance or habitat, but its extraordinary life cycle. Unlike most creatures, Turritopsis dohrnii doesn't succumb to the wear and tear of time. Instead, when faced with stress or sickness, it can revert its cells back to their earliest form and begin its life anew. It's as if this tiny creature holds the reset button to life itself. This amazing process is why it's often called the immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish has a secret to life that defies our understanding of nature. The life of Turritopsis dohrnii begins much like any other jellyfish. The journey starts as a tiny fertilized egg. These eggs incubate in the mother's body, before being released into the sea as free-swimming larvae known as planula. Guided by the currents, the planula drifts through the vast ocean until it finds a suitable surface to attach itself. Once anchored, it transforms into a polyp, a stationary stalk-like structure that resembles a miniature sea anemone. This polyp, through a process known as budding, sprouts miniature clones of itself that go on to form a tiny colony. Each of these clones will eventually break away to become Ephira, a young jellyfish, and then a full-grown Medusa, the adult stage most of us recognize as a jellyfish. But here's where the story of Turritopsis dohrnii takes an unexpected turn. Rather than succumbing to the fate of old age or disease like most organisms, this jellyfish has a remarkable trick up its sleeve. When faced with physical damage, starvation, or even the natural process of aging, it can revert back to its polyp state. Imagine, for a moment, if a butterfly could transform back into a caterpillar, or if a frog could return to being a tadpole. That's the kind of biological magic we're talking about here. This biological reset isn't just a one-time deal either. The immortal jellyfish can perform this incredible feat countless times, essentially resetting its life cycle again and again. It's like hitting the reset button on a video game, but instead of starting a new level, you're starting an entirely new life. Now, this doesn't mean the immortal jellyfish is invincible. It can still fall prey to predators, disease, or unfavorable environmental conditions. But in terms of aging, it's found a loophole that allows it to potentially live forever. In this endless dance of transformation, the immortal jellyfish has found a way to cheat death. The immortal jellyfish, in its silent ballet of life and rebirth, challenges our understanding of life itself. This tiny creature, no bigger than a pinky nail, carries within its translucent body a secret that has puzzled and fascinated scientists. A secret that whispers of the elusive possibility of eternal life. The immortal jellyfish, or Turritopsis dohrnii as it's known in scientific circles, lives an extraordinary existence. Born anew from its own ashes, it defies the very laws of biology. This isn't a creature merely surviving, it's a creature regenerating, reversing its aging process to start life afresh. So what does this mean for us, the observers? It forces us to reevaluate our own understanding of life and death. Death, it seems, is not an absolute end, but rather another stage in life's complex cycle, at least for the immortal jellyfish. The implications of this discovery are profound. It opens up new avenues for research, new questions about the nature of aging, and new possibilities for combating diseases linked to old age. The immortal jellyfish, in its tiny, glowing form, holds potential answers to questions that have confounded humanity for centuries. While we may not hold the key to immortality, the immortal jellyfish offers a glimpse into the possibilities of life's endless dance.